Picture this, a simple yet flavorful dish that comes together in no time. Today, we're diving into a 5-ingredient dinner recipe featuring the unique Traverse Bay Farms cherry juice concentrate. A delightful sweetness and depth of flavor awaits. Start with your chosen mix of vegetables. Carrots, Brussels sprouts, and sweet potatoes are a great choice. Toss them in olive oil, sprinkle with fresh rosemary or thyme, and roast until tender. Meanwhile, let's work on the star of this dish, the cherry glaze. Combine the cherry juice concentrate with a splash of water and a teaspoon of rosemary or thyme. Bring it to a simmer, stirring occasionally until it thickens into a syrupy glaze. As your glaze reduces, season boneless, skinless chicken breasts and cook them until golden brown. Once done, glaze the chicken and let it simmer for a couple of minutes. Now it's time to plate up. A serving of roasted vegetables topped with a cherry glazed chicken breast, drizzled with the remaining glaze. This cherry glazed chicken with roasted vegetables showcases the versatility of Traverse Bay Farms cherry juice concentrate, creating an unforgettable dining experience in the comfort of your home. Remember, you can always adjust the glaze to your preference and add a variety of vegetables for added nutritional value. Enjoy this simple yet delicious dish.